Hello guys, welcome back to today vlog. And today I was explaining some about I happening with me, just like I visited Pragati Maidan in New Delhi, and it was truly amazing experience. Pragati Maidan is one of the most famous exhibition center in India. It is known for hosting international trade fairs, business export and consignment seller meeting. As soon as I entered the venue, I felt the grand scale of the place. The infrastructure is modern and very well organized. The halls are huge and beautifully designed. There are multiple entry gates with proper security arrangements. The management system is very professional. Everything is systematic and easy to navigate. When I stepped inside the exhibition hall, I saw hundreds of stalls. Each stall was decorated in a unique and creative way. There were companies from different states and even different countries. Some stalls were focused on fashion and garments, and some stalls showing just like a plastic machines. Everything's have to done. Some were related to electronics and technology. Other were other handicrafts, food products, machinery, and startups. The consignment seller one machine recorded by the plastic system. Otherwise, the handicraft, food products, machinery, and especially the consignment seller meeting were happening in a special business language. Buyers and sellers were discussing deal and partnership. It was interesting to see professional negotiation with confidence. Many were showcasing their products. Some were launching innovative ideas for the first time. The atmosphere was energetic and business oriented. People were exchanging visiting cards. Networking was happening everywhere. You could see excitement on the faces of young entrepreneurs. I felt like a hub of opportunities. The lighting inside the hall was bright and attractive. There were digital screen displaying company presentation. Some stalls had live product demonstration. A few brands were offering free sample. There were interactive session and product explanation. Also noticed that crowd was very diverse. Students, business owner, exporter and investors were present. Some people came just to explore and learn, other come to finalize business deals. The food court area was also well arranged. There were multiple food options available, from Indian snacks to international. Everything was present. After walking for hours, the food court felt refreshing. The cleanness of Pragati Maidan impressed me a lot. The washroom were neat and properly maintained. Security staff were helpful and polite. Volunteers were guiding visitors properly. One of the most interesting parts was the startup section. Young innovators were explaining their product passionately. Some startups were based on technology, some were focused on eco friendly products. It was inspiring to see new ideas taking shape. There were also international pavilions. Different countries had their dedicated spaces. Their culture, designs, and branding looked beautiful. It felt like traveling the world in one place. The consignment meeting were very professional. People were discussing bulk orders. Export import conversation were happening. Some companies were signing malls. It shows how important Pragati Maidan is for business growth. I realized that exhibitions like this are not just about selling products, they are about building connections, they are about learning market trends, they are about understanding competition, they are about growth and expansion. In infrastructure of the newly developed Pragati Maidan is world class. The air conditioned system works perfectly. There is proper parking space available. Metro connectivity makes it easy to reach. Overall, my experience was fantastic. I learned many new things. I met different types of people. I saw creativity and innovation everywhere. This place truly represents business energy. If you are a the picture was shown, if you are a business person, you